Mama?
What? I swear if you do that one more time, I'm gonna strangle your beak shut.
Oh.
Shut up.
Child services.
Do that one more time, mister. Told you to shut the hell up. Do you want to go in the basement with Jimmy?
No.
Then shut up.
Daddy touched me, remember? Remember when I was a baby girl, Daddy touched me. On the hat. You know the hat I'm wearing?
Yes.
Touched my hat.
You like that, don't you?
No. Because he put his wiener on it. Like, I'm talking about sausage. A sausage. I'm not talking about finding Freddy's security cameras. Dummy.
I did make sausage sandwiches. And he got your hat dirty.
Yeah, it got sticky. From yogurt. And for some reason he put glue in it.
Yes, I did try to poison.
You tried to poison me? Ah!
You say nothing about this. You're going downstairs with Jimmy.
Ah! Hi, Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Hi, Jimmy.
No. You down here now?
Yeah.
Wow. What'd you do?
I don't know. Should we be annoying?
Yeah.
How about we sneak out and just annoy Mama?
Yes.
Alright, come on. Mama!
Yes. You just sit over there, you.
Skibbity Sigma.
That didn't work.
I got Italian bread roll vibes.
Yeah. Ballerina cappuccina.
Cappuccino ballerina.
Stupid.
Tongue, 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 saho.
Good.
Bombardino, godadino.
Stupid.
Bombardino, crocodilo.
Bombodilo.
Yeah.
Crocodilo.
Crocodilo.
Yeah. Stop whining. Shut up. I'll touch your hat with a sausage.
Nah.
That's it.
Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy, Jimmy, Jimmy! Jimmy!
Touch your hat. You want to be a battle?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! Johnny, I won! Oh, Jimmy, I won! Guess what, Mama?
What?
Your skibbity toilet. I win! You stupid skibbity titan! Jimmy, let's go! Let's be free! Yay!